So yes, this is a fuck you a Bullpup Hi-capa meme, but originally I did this for a, dare I say, more practical reason. So I wanted to be able to shoot from either hand without switching hands, because you guys have seen by now where I play, and there's so many little corners there that if I were to switch hands every time I have to shoot from a different angle, I would just have to be doing this the whole time, which is a pain in the ass. So this lets me shoot from whatever angle I want, and it's never going to be awkward. I never have to do one of these. I can just do one of these. In case you are as much of a heretic as I am, and you actually want to build one of these for yourself, the STLs are going to be on my Discord, and you can just go there and download it and print it. It's just a foregrip with 2 holes cut out, right? 2 holes, 1, 2, and top hole is where the lever for the trigger goes through. I have some different variations. So this gun has a flat trigger. I got a flat trigger right there. This one has a curved trigger, and that one fits a curved trigger. I got different triggers, and I got different trigger guards. This one, I'm actually gonna cut it right here, so it's shorter, and it's gonna be shaped like a G for those Glock users. Also, one or a couple more things you need. This is obviously being held in by a screw. This is a 30 by 30, oh sorry, this is a 3 by 30 screw, like this one right here. And the holes are already in the STL files. When you print it, you just need to remove the support and then screw it in so it doesn't move. And then if your gun has a weak trigger spring, and see I put a spring on this one, that spring is from a gas magazine. Any spring will do really, as long as it's a compression spring, but I'm using the springs from my gas bags because all of my gas bags has been converted now to HPA, so I have a whole bunch of these lying around. I don't use them. Well, I do use them. I use them for my projects. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have a couple of tips. If you want to print these, make sure first that you print with support, otherwise this is what happens. Any of those little spaghetti noodles in there will make it difficult for you to stick the lever or the trigger guard through the holes, so print it with supports. And then finally, you gotta remember to print it oriented this way, not this way or this way, right? So horizontally, not vertically, because otherwise when you print them, so this one was oriented vertically like this because I wanted to save on support materials. And the problem with doing this is when you print it this way, the layer lines are going horizontal like this, right? So there will be a lot of weak layer lines in here, and when you actually put it on the gun, there will be a lot of pressure where the rails are, so the rails will tear off along the layer lines like that. So yeah, print it this way and you'll avoid that problem. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. Let's go play some Airsoft.
Hey, watch a thing that his Ragnar. Why didn't he flip the muscle out by accident? Okay. Hey, make sure you're winning your mag, bro. I don't think you're shooting. Shoot. You're not, dude. What? Shoot me. I did. Again. Nothing's coming out. Oh, that's you gotta wind your mag. What are you staring at me for? What? Oh. when you die, switch. Okay. I'll make that real quick then. Good. No, it's okay. I need a.
You sure that's from our phone? My gun wasn't loaded.
No. You started on me. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. You're giving me a heart attack. Oh, dude. Go back. don't shoot me. Faster. Oh man. Sorry. You actually missed both shots. Ooh. Hit. Oh, sorry. Are you ready? Yeah. Hit.
Hey, woman camo, you're out.
Ew. Oh, you're right.
Oh my god.
My bad. Good.
Well, there's an angle over there.
Huh?
There's an angle over there.
You're getting close to high, so why is it on top of high?
Wait. Oh shit!
Yes.
Resident has 4 minutes to arm. 4 minutes.
Oh my. Sorry. I'm your team. I'm getting so much teammate.
I tried. I tried so hard.
you shoot?
Huh?
You shoot?
Wait, did I? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'll call it. Woo! Go. Oh, good. Oh, sorry, dude. I was shooting him and you walked into it. My bad. I'll take it too. I'll take it too. What? He's a gun yet? Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Good, good, good.
I didn't expect you to come this. Cool. He came up and literally went like this. Okay.
Sorry. What do you want? Bruh.
Hi, Jack.
Hi.
real talk, I would rate this thing probably a 5 out of 10 for usefulness and a 10 out of 10 accuracy. It's one of those things that's like, it's nice when you have it and you feel like you're getting use out of it, but when you don't have it, you don't really miss it. But, you know, I made it and it works and I had a lot of fun with it. I do have another video idea queued up. A couple days ago I saw this Facebook picture of a glowing red suppressor that's glowing because of all the rounds that's been going through it and it's really hot. So that gave me the idea to print this thing. This is a tracer unit cover. You can see that the tracer will fit right in there. And this is printed in glow-in-the-dark plastic. So to see this dragon spit fire at people, make sure you sub to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.